Hi, this is Smita Deo and welcome to Get Curried. Today let's see how to make a Durban mutton curry using our local ingredients. For that I'm going to heat 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to add 2-inch stick of cinnamon, 1 black cardamom, 1 star anise and 2 bay leaves. And once these spices release their aroma, I'm going to add 2 medium onions that I have sliced, a sprig of curry leaves, and let's saute these onions to a beautiful golden brown color. The onions have got fried crisp and golden. I'm going to add a tablespoon of ginger paste, a tablespoon of garlic paste. Just saute this till the raw smell goes off. To this I'm going to add 3/4 kg of mutton, and I'm going to sear the meat for 3 to 4 minutes on a high flame. The color of the meat has changed. It's got a beautiful brown color to it. Let's add the spices. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder, a teaspoon of fennel seed powder, a teaspoon of garam masala powder, a pinch of turmeric, and just let's quickly mix this. It's time to add the tomato puree. Here I have boiled 2 tomatoes, medium sized, and I have just simply ground them to a paste. Let's add this. We all love potatoes, don't we? And especially along with a meat curry, it's amazing. So here I have 2 medium-sized potatoes which I have halved with the skin on. I'm going to add this as well. These are pretty large potatoes. Let's add a liter of water to this. Salt to taste. Give it a good stir. Now let's cover this and slow cook the meat till it's done, which will approximately take about 45 minutes to an hour. We kept the mutton to cook for almost 45 minutes. I'm just going to check if the meat is cooked. The meat is off the bone. It's cooked really well. Let's shut the flame and remove this Durban mutton curry in a serving bowl. What an amazing aroma. The Durban mutton curry is ready to be served. It goes very well with steamed rice, and you saw what a quick and easy recipe this was. Do try it, let me know, and keep watching Get Curried.